Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to you with another video. Today's video is another taste test. Before I reveal what it is though, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. So today I will be trying chocolate dipped strawberry Hershey Kisses. So they look like they got a gooey strawberry center to them. Obviously, normal Hershey Kiss chocolate over them. I'm assuming each one is individually wrapped. Yes, they are. Take a small handful out. Okay, so we got a couple of them here. Let's get these unwrapped and see how they are. So obviously, looks just like a normal Hershey Kiss on the outside. Not bad. They have a distinct strawberry taste when you bite in. Show you guys what the interior of this looks like. So as you can see, it's got, juicy red filling. They're good though. Say they're perfect if you want that quick strawberry and chocolate little snack. Or they might be good in baking. Like, I know my mom makes these really good cherry cookies with Hershey Kisses on them. Sometimes she uses the ones with cherry filling. These would probably be good for a strawberry variation of that. If you find yourself in the mood for chocolate and strawberry, pick them up. Anyway, this has been DMC Jedi Man. I hope you all have a great day. Peace, everybody.